Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So first I am taking a painting sheet or ivory sheet of 210 GSM and has already created its border using the washi tape. Now first I will create its background using the acrylic colors. To create its background, I am spreading the water all over the sheet so that my colors will mix up nicely and perfectly. Now simply spread the little bit of paint on the sheet and mix it very well using water. To make background more colorful and light, use more of water and less of color. Now my background is ready and I am taking out the washi tape. So be careful while taking it out, otherwise you will tear up your sheet. Now it's time to draw the Ganesh tree. If you are good in drawing, that would be great. Otherwise, the most simplest way is to use the tracing paper. Just simply take a picture and trace it on your sheet and it will look just great. So now I have first made it with the pencil and now using pens over it. I am using the Brusto technical pens because it comes with different nibs and I made my mandalas using that pens. If you don't have these type of pens, you can simply use black pen. The most important thing while making mandala is patience and clarity in your designs. Believe me, you don't have to make hard designs. The simple ones will look just perfect if you have made it with clarity. If you are liking this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. There is no hard and fast rule of making designs, as there is no specific designs that you have to make. You can simply make any design of your preference. But if you stuck anywhere like now what should I have to do, so you can then simply repeat the designs, or you can also color the portion if it fits to that area. If you also want to learn how to make a basic mandala or what's the technique of making mandala, then I have also uploaded a video on my channel. Its link is in the description below. If you want, you can watch it from there. You can frame this design and hang on the wall or put it at the corner table, or you can also directly paste the paper on the wall. In both the ways it will look so beautiful. This Ganesha mandala art is ready. If you will also try this, then do share the pictures with me on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. And yes, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you. May Lord Ganesha bring so much of peace and prosperity in your life. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.